Use a table of values to sketch a graph of 3x minus 2y equals 8. Again, we're going to have to get y alone on one side of the equation. So let's rewrite it down here. 3x minus 2y equals 8. We want to get y alone, so let's subtract 3x from both sides. When we do that, we're left with negative 2y on the left. Don't forget the negative. That term is negative 2y. And then on the right, we have 8 minus 3x. To get y alone, we have to divide by negative 2 because it's currently being multiplied by negative 2. We want to undo that. When we divide both sides by negative 2, this leaves the y alone on the left, which is good. On the right, 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. And then the last term is going to be positive because we have a negative over a negative. So they're going to cancel, and it's going to be plus 3 halves x. So we have y equals negative 4 plus 3 halves x. Now that the y is isolated, we're in a place where we can make our table of values. We're going to have our x and our y, and then we're going to leave a column to show our work, negative 4 plus 3 halves x. Good. So for picking our x values here, we want them to be multiples of 2 because that's going to get rid of the fraction. Anytime x is a multiple of 2, like 2 or 4 or 0 or negative 2 or negative 4, multiplying it by 3 halves, we're going to get rid of that fraction. Things are going to be easier. So let's start with 2. Let's plug it in. Negative 4 plus 3 halves times 2. We've got negative 4 plus 3 halves times 2 is 3. And negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Then let's plug in 4. Negative 4 plus 3 halves times 4. Negative 4 plus 3 halves times 4 is going to end up being 6. And negative 4 plus 6 is positive 2. Next, we're going to plug in 0. Negative 4 plus 3 halves times 0. Well, anything times 0 is 0. So we have negative 4 plus 0, which is negative 4. Next, let's plug in negative 2. Negative 4 plus 3 halves times negative 2. We still have the negative 4. But then 3 halves times negative 2 is negative 3, so it's going to be minus 3. Negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. And then lastly, we have negative 4. So negative 4 plus 3 halves times negative 4. Let's see. Again, a positive times a negative is a negative, so it's going to be minus. And 3 halves times 4 is 6. So this is going to be negative 4 minus 6, which is negative 10. Now we have our 5 points that we can plot. We've got 2, negative 1. We've got 4, 2. 0, negative 4. Negative 2, negative 7. And negative 4, negative 10. We've got our 5 points. Let's plot these points. The first one is 2, comma, negative 1. The x-coordinate's 2, so we go to the right 2. And now the y-coordinate is negative 1, so we go down 1. It's going to give us 2, negative 1. Next, we have the point 4, comma, 2. So from the origin, we go to the right 4 and up 2. It's going to be right there. The third point, 0, negative 4, because the x-coordinate is 0, we're not going to the left or the right. That's going to be on the y-axis, and we go down to negative 4. So this is the point 0, negative 4. The next point is negative 2, negative 7. Since x is negative 2, we go to the left 2. And since y is negative 7, we go down 7. So we're down here. And the last one, negative 4, negative 10, should be to the left 4 and then down 10. 10 isn't quite on our grid. It's a little bit off. So if you've got room on your paper, you can always extend your grid a little bit and put it down there. But we can also just do the other 4 points if we want. That's fine. They're all on the same line, which means we've probably done it correctly. We connect the dots. We label our line 3x minus 2y equals 8. And we're good to go.